Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only followers that you follow back can do it with your videos on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and now click privacy, and here you will find here Duet. Click on it, click Duet, and here just click followers that you follow back, and you're gonna make followers that you follow back only can do it with your videos. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.